Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can record a video in Windows 11, like screen sharing or any kind of recording. That's how you can do. So guys, all you have to go in a start, then type a snip snipping tool, then open it. Then you have to select a video icon right over here. Then you need to click on new, select the area which you want to record. After that, start recording. So guys, that's how you can get a recording. Like in my case it's a screen recording, so that's how you can do it. So guys, it's very simple, very easy, and after doing that you just have to stop it and it automatically get saved in front of you. Then you just have to click on save. Then you can give the location where you can save that file. So guys, that's how you can record a video in Windows 11. It's very simple, very easy. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.